Hi guys! Today we are test driving the new VinFast VF5 and I was able to test drive na another VinFast car before, so this is not my first time driving an EV, pero ito yung first time na magagamit ko siya for errands talaga. So, ang mga errands natin today, kailangan na naming mag-grocery kasi wala na kaming stock sa bahay. So I'm not gonna do so much makeup today kasi nag-a-act up yung skin ko, like meron naman lang acne dito. Ang dami kong bumps here. So as much as possible, very minimal makeup lang. Magko-color correct lang ako ng under eyes. Okay, so far, naluluwagan ako sa kanya kasi I can still do a lot of things. Nakakaganito pa ako. Hindi ako nasisikipan. I'm very interested kasi sa mga EVs right now kasi diba number 1, wala silang coding. Number 2, based sa mga nababasa ko sa internet, mas matipid daw siya in a sense kasi may mga mall na nagpo-provide ng free charging. So that's a plus kasi halos magkano yung binabudget namin para sa gas per month. So far, I'm loving the interior kasi tingnan nyo, ang minimalist niya. Like, ito lang yung mga buttons na nandito. Instead of a gear shift, we have this. May power outlet here, USB, storage right here. We have this. Nakalimutan ko anong tawag dito, handbrake. Sabi sa inyo, hindi ako car girl eh. And then we have 2 lagayan ng cups dito. And guys, sobrang laki ng lagayan niya there. Dito, meron din control buttons right here. This is what the back seat looks like. And guys, ang lamig ng aircon. One of the things that I personally want to know about is the charge. Kasi yan, naka 91 yan. Pero mga 20 minutes na ako nandito sa loob ng car. Nang ganito yung settings ng aircon, malamig na siya. So, i-gauge ko rin yung percentage niya. Kung gaano katagal before ko siya kailanganin i-charge. That is the only thing that I'm anxious about. Kasi wala kaming charger dito sa house. Meron din sa UP Town, sa Ayala Malls. Okay, we are starting! Oh my gosh! First time ko siya ito drive. Okay. Nakakapanibago yung switch ng buttons. Ay, wow! May camera tayo sa likod. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Sorry, new car. While waiting for them, magbasa muna tayo ng quick reference guide ng VF5 para alam ko naman kung ano yung dinadrive ko. Walang tofu! Very specific siya sa dentastics ng mga girls na. Apple CarPlay. Hello, sir. Midnight snack, we are going to McDo. Dito lang, malapit lang. Kung wala akong class tomorrow morning, siguro nag-long drive tayo. But I have class na 8 a.m. Si Seth na yung nagda-drive para both kami merong insights. Kasi both kami nagda-drive, diba? And most of the time nga siya yung nagda-drive, hindi ako. Oh, and by the way, umiilaw ng ganun yung gilid niya kapag meron siyang nadedetect sa gilid mo. One of the things that I'm interested in dito sa car na to, meron siya mga sensors na ganun. Like yung usual sensor about sa rear, ganyan kapag magre-reverse na. Very important yun to me. Ito din sa mismong screen na yan, ayun, nakikita niyo yung red, nakalagay, watch traffic. So, ayun yung mga sensors na included dito sa car. Ayun o, nag-orange siya kapag may nadidetect siyang malapit sa'yo. Hindi ko lagyan yung...
Fixing price to.
By the way, you can also lift this up para bumaba itong mga seats, rear seats natin, so you will have more storage. Let's see if all of my bagahe will fit. 1, So this is how it's looking like. Ayun yung chair ko sa likod. So it's the next morning and I'm going to makeup school. That's why dala-dala ko yung buong bagahe ng makeup kit ko. Yes, ayun yung lagi kong bit-bit kapag may clients ako. So they're gonna pick up the car later habang nasa class ako. That's why I'm gonna tell you all of my thoughts right now. Number one, and I feel like the most important part, are the sensors. Parang for me, sobrang high-tech na meron akong nakikitang physical light. As a girl driver, it's an extra. Number two, sobrang tahimik niya. Like, yes, meron siyang noise. Like, meron siyang white noise. It's quieter compared sa gas engine. And of course, that depends naman per person, diba? But I appreciate the quieter sound of the car overall. Number three, this is Seth's insight nung siya yung nag-drive. Walang delay sa acceleration. Like, kapag tinapakan mo yung drive talaga siya. Number 4, yung storage sa likod. Ayan yung concern na sinabi ko sa inyo yesterday na ang dami kong bit-bit every time I go to clients. Number 5, the AC. Ang bilis niyang lumamig. I think I actually look cute driving this car. Like, looking through the clips yesterday na na-take namin. Yung design kasi ng car sa harap, tas color blue pa siya. Tapos naka-color blue din ako yesterday. So, parang ang cute namin dalawa na very bagay ako as a driver. Like, wait lang po, nagpa-park, yung mga ganon. Very girly, but it is what it is. Ganon talaga ako. Also, update on you guys, we are currently at 69%. So, from yesterday na 91% natin siya sinimulan. Yung buong biyahe namin maghapon na nagfe-film kami, nagte-test drive, tapos kagabi, di ba, pumunta pa kami sa labas. After all of those happenings, 22% lang yung nabawas. So, let's say 22% of battery half day. And the charging only takes about 30 minutes kapag fast charging yung charger na napuntahan mo or kapag hindi naman 1 hour. So, overall, as a girly girl na driver, it's a very convenient car para sa akin. So, if you guys are interested, you can drop by VinFast dealerships and test drive this car right now. This is VF5, so you guys will know what I'm talking about. VinFast has a low down payment and some dealerships even offer 0 down payment. So, if you are interested, check them out. I think I need to end the vlog na kasi inintay ko na lang yung kapatid ko and then we're gonna go. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!